welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for a Dollar Tree DIY. And it's been quite a while since I've done a DIY, so if you're returning, thanks for sticking with me and welcome back. And if you're new, I hope you decide to go ahead and subscribe. I do DIYs, haul videos, things like that. And yeah, so today we're going to do a really quick Dollar Tree DIY. I'm making a floral decor for my office. This does not have to be floral though for you. If you're interested in this, you can do other things as well, like use it for a candle holder or whatever else you would like. So the items I have here today is I have some Dollar Tree floral. I wanted some really pretty summer colors. I have this box over here that I hauled the other day from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this little picture frame. It's a really small picture frame. As you can see, it's a 2x3. So I'm going to be using this as well. But this is not going to actually be used for the floral that I'm making. And then I have these little glass. Usually you would use these for candles. So I have 4 of these glass trays. And then the only other item that I'm not showing right now that I'll have to grab is some floral foam as well, so that my floral could stay still. All right, guys, hope you enjoy. Let's get started.
When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there. Like the stars had all aligned. I
All right, so I'm moving along because I don't like to waste stuff. I always like to try to, use whatever I can, and this lid would have been an absolute waste. I didn't need it because obviously I just needed the box, and it's a beautiful lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a picture out of it, and I'm gonna use the lid along with this 2x3 picture frame from the dollar store.
You're like poetry, the crazy whirlwinds blows us from the corners of my mind. Been long since last touched for the first time. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there.
All right, guys, so that is it for today. 2 really simple DIYs, and I really just wanted to show you how you can use your scraps at the very end and make something really pretty out of it as well. I absolutely love that sign. I'm gonna leave it here in my office, and I love how the floral turned out as well, especially with the river rocks that you can see inside. Looks super nice. And really simple to do. Both of these took me less than 15 minutes to make, and they look absolutely gorgeous, like something that you would buy from Winners, TJ Maxx, a store like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed these really quick DIYs. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy DIYs, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye.